Do you still spend your time manually working on managing the accommodation, transportation, the camp facility and maintenance of your labourers? Or do you spend your time undertaking the administrative burden of gathering data, checking the availability or creating reports? Roommaster is an innovative digital transformation solution that will save you time and money. It is an automated management solution allowing you to control the accommodation, transportation, meals and the facilities and maintenance of your camps. Roommaster is a web-based platform developed by EBS's expert team with a very easy user interface which will streamline the entire accommodation management process. A custom-made solution built around all the aspects of camp management that will allow you to manage and control your employees and labourers, like accommodation management, transportation, meals management is also incorporated. Facility and maintenance. Roommaster provides you full control over your entire camp aspects, freeing up time and resources by providing you assessment and evaluation, tracking and monitoring, consistent reporting, analysis. Roommaster is a proactive and effective solution that will keep the entire camp at your fingertips. Learn more about Roommaster. Request a demo today.